Hello, I'm Judy from EagerLED Limited. Okay, LED conferences screens will accessory to replace the projector in the future, right? And in fact, the meeting room and also use LED screen. When it comes to meeting room, it is easy to think of the small dark room with projector. So compared with traditional projector, LED screen have the following advantage. Listen to me. The first is high brightness and not affected by the cabinet's brightness, and can adjust the display brightness according to ambient brightness. The bright projectors need to reduce ambient brightness by drawing the curtains, turn off the light, and so on, to ensure display effect. The second, the self-lighting picture is directly present on the screen, so not affected by the occlusion, the projector. And when there are people working or objection, the picture display is incomplete. And the third, the viewing angle is so wide, and the LED screen is reach more than 116-degree viewing angle of the screen. Yes, and only 45-degree in the viewing angle range. So the gap is very appearance. The fourth is long service life. The LED conference screen life is up to 100,000 hours. Projector bulb life is about 3,000 hours. A short life and affordable. In summary, the LED conference display screen is so good. Okay, and the user experience is good and the service life is long. The future will accessories replace projectors. So what do you think? Tell me in the comments area. See you. Bye bye.